Hello guys, in this video or this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram not loading the direct messages. So if you have this problem, this video is gonna help you a lot. All what you have to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, go to the apps right here in the top. Here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Search for Instagram and click on it. When you click on it, now go to the storage here on the app information page. Click on this option, clear data, to clear all these data. For example, I have 500 megabyte. Click here, click on clear cache, go back, click on force stop, and then go to the power usage details. Scroll down and you will find this force stop. If you are able to click on it, then click on force stop. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.